UK introduces 5 tough visa rules to cut immigration. Did you know that the UK government is rewriting some laws for those who will be allowed to enter the UK and stay here to work? Official figures revealed that net migration hit 745,000 for 2022, and the ministers have now been put under pressure by the public to act on legal migration. The present levels of migration are far too high, according to Prime Minister Rishi Sunak. Do you want to live and work in UK? Are you worried about the new UK immigration rules affecting your visa application? You don't need to worry at all. Visit our website now, where you can get in touch with hundreds of licensed and authorized UK immigration experts. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description box and pinned comment below. Let's resume the video and tell you what has changed in the new UK immigration rules. To this effect, there will still be an application for a UK visa on a points-based system by most of those keen to work within the United Kingdom. However, from spring of 2024, the applicants will need a higher-paying job offer to obtain a work visa. They will have to earn more than £38,700 British pounds, which is a third more than the current minimum salary of £26,200 British pounds. For some careers, such as the health and social care, however, this will not be applicable. On the other hand, the overseas care workers will not be allowed to bring in family dependents in that area. The Labour government first adopted a points system that was initially applied to migrants from non-European Union countries in 2008. Later, after the Brexit vote, it was revised by the Conservatives. PBS commenced at the close of 2020 and covers both European Union and non-European Union migrants. Are you wondering, how does the points-based system work? Applicants must achieve enough qualifying points to be eligible for a skilled worker visa. Every applicant must score first 50 points out of total points, which is available to all applicants from jobs above the minimal skill and speaking in English. The other 20 points may be derived from earnings, working in a shortage occupation, or holding a relevant PhD. Most skilled visa costs about £719 to £1,500 British pounds and a health charge of £624 British pounds per year. Health surcharge will now increase to £1035 British pounds per annum. What is a shortage occupation list? There is also a shortage occupation list which helps employers fulfill some positions. Applicants are awarded a limited number of points, and these jobs have a lower salary threshold to meet that level. Jobs currently on the list include jobs in health and education, care workers, graphic designers, construction workers, last but not the least, vets. In order to fill those positions, employers were allowed to pay foreign workers only 80% of the going rate of the job. This will be done away with when spring begins next year. The measure was labelled by Labour as salary discount on the grounds that it allowed employers to bypass local wages. As from spring 2024, care workers from overseas will not be allowed to travel along with their family dependents. The government also proposes to revisit the occupation shortage list and trim the number of occupations listed. Now let's tell you about the latest changes in family visa. From spring 2024, the government will also increase its minimum income level for individuals bringing family members to the UK on a family visa to £38,700 British pounds. Currently, £18,600 British pounds is a minimum threshold for income. Around 70,000 people travelled on the family visa to the UK in the last 12 months until June 2023. What is the number of migrants who are coming to the UK? As such, the number of arrivals in the year ending June 2023 was recorded at 1,180,000, with projected departures standing at 508,000. Hence net migration, which is the balance between those who came in and left it, amounted to 672,000. Net migration hit a record 745,000 in 2022. Most of those landing in the UK were non-EU citizens. Data indicate 968,000 migrants from non-EU countries. The ONS release found that 39 came for study, 33% came for work, and 9% came due to humanitarian reasons. The top 5 non-EU nationalities were Indian, 253,000, Nigerian, 141,000, 89,000 Chinese, Pakistani, 55,000, and 35,000 Ukrainian. Statistics regarding official immigration were impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic, and there have been many changes in how these statistics are gathered. UK net migration 2022 revised up to 745,000. Are you wondering, how many students do the UK receive? The government granted 486,107 study visas during 12 months up to September 2023. 50% of them were issued to people from India and China. The second biggest group after Chinese was the Nigerian students, who came after Pakistani and American students. Students on postgraduate courses could also apply for visas for qualifying dependents. Any dependents such as a husband, wife, civil partner, or a child under 18 years old. A total of 152,980 dependents' visas were given out in the year finishing September 2023. However, from January 2024, there will be no more right to bring dependents for international students except those who study in postgraduate courses, which are designated as research-only program. Some of the foreign students will lose their rights to bring in their families to UK. Graduate visa enables students who have completed their degree to stay in UK for 2 years post-graduation, 3 years for students with doctorate degree. For the year ending September 2023, 104,501 such visas were issued, exclusive of dependents. Our video update ends here. If you found this update useful, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for visiting us today.